You will eat the fruit of your labor. Blessings and prosperity will be yours. Psalm 128 verses 2. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Well, we are on spring and Easter break and we have all the kids home. So I thought it would be brilliant to share this amazing Bofrot recipe that I've currently discovered. It's so delicious. It has one secret ingredient that is going to take this whole Bofrot treat to a whole different level. So please keep watching and let's get started. So let's begin by listing all the ingredients. Here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, some salt, nutmeg, melted butter, and some instant dry yeast. No sugar, yes, because we'll be using some sweetened condensed milk for this. This is amazing. And I have some lukewarm water here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by proving my yeast, and here I'm adding just a teaspoon of sugar, and I'm going to add my instant dry yeast, and I'll allow it to prove for just about 2 minutes. While the proving is going on, I'll go ahead and add all my dried ingredients, which is the all-purpose flour, salt, and nutmeg. You may also use self-raising flour for this. All right. We've mixed all our dried ingredients and our yeast is nicely proving, and to know that your yeast is well proven, you see a lot of bubbles on top, and that is a great sign that it has proven well. So we're going to add it to the mixed dried ingredient, and the water that I used to prove the yeast was quite small, so I added another cup of it, still lukewarm water. Okay, never too cold, never too hot. Okay, so mix everything together until you get this nice and very thick consistency. Mind you, we're not done with wet ingredients, so do not add too much water at the beginning. So here I'm going to add about 250 grams of my condensed milk. Yes, that's the leftover. You may also decide to add everything if you want it extra sweet. For me, the 250 grams was just fine. I went ahead to mix it well, making sure I do not have any lumps in there, and I just love this consistency. You make sure that it's not very thick. Other than that, your Bofrot is going to end up being very dense and very heavy. We don't like that. We want it very light and extra fluffy. So the last ingredient that I'll be adding is my melted butter. Please add your melted butter. It is going to make your Bofrot very crunchy on the outside and so delicious and moist in the inside. All right, it's a great tip that I really commend. Okay, as usual, I have listed each and every ingredient below in the description box with the right quantity. All right, so please do well to check it out. And yes, we are done. The consistency is more like the condensed milk texture. That's exactly what we're going for, just a little bit thicker than that. All right, we're going to cover it and allow it to double rise for about an hour before we start to fry them. In the waiting time for our dough to double rise, I'll go ahead and warm up my oil. Yes, we'll be using some oil to fry our Bofrot of Boflot. So for frying these, you need to make sure you have enough oil. Other than that, it's going to soak up all the oil. So I was occupied doing other stuff. I waited just over an hour and our dough was overflowing, you know. This feels like it tripled rise. It just rises so fast. So just go ahead and use your hand, beat it up a little bit, and it's going to go back to its normal size. So now the fun part is about to begin. I love frying puff. I think they are so therapeutic. Before you start dropping your puffs, please make sure your oil is heated enough. To know that it's well heated, just drop in your stick, the turning stick, and it will just show signs that yes, this oil is ready for your puff by just bubbling up. All right. Also use your very first drop of puff to try it if it's hot enough. Okay. As soon as you drop your Bofrot in the oil, bounce up right back, and that is also a sign that your oil is ready. So keep on dropping them, giving each of them enough space to be able to turn. I will always advise to use just a little pot in frying it, just so that you don't waste too much oil. Okay, so just keep on trying and turning until each and every side is ready, and you will see this beautiful caramelized color indicating that your puff or Bofrot is ready. And they are absolutely so gorgeous, so beautiful. Now take them out and place it on a paper towel and repeat until you're done with all the butter. I believe this is one of the easiest way you should make your Bofrot or puff. I really want you to give this a try because you're going to love it. All your household is going to absolutely love you for this. Okay, so we have our very last batch to go. Once we get these out, we're going to drop those ones and we will be done. I do have other ways to make your puff or Bofrot on this channel. I'm going to link it here. I'm going to also link it below in the description box. All right, so there you have it. We are almost done, and this was absolutely lovely. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Also share to a few friends and family, and trust me, try this and you are going to absolutely love it. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Always do appreciate your love and support. It does not go unnoticed at all. Now we're going to just break this into two and we will see how fluffy and very light this is. This is absolutely delicious. I love to pair mine with some peanuts. Let me know in the comment section what you love to pair yours with. All right, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching once again. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day.